Vacation, vacation, vacation. Well, I'm sitting here, well, standing here actually in Pennsylvania, and let me tell you, it's already getting chilly, and as you can see, the leaves are a little bit, they're still green here, but pretty soon they'll be falling and changing colors hopefully before they fall. And it's gonna get cold, and let me tell you something, in Pennsylvania, we have gone down below 0 in the winter. In fact, sometimes we've gone about 7 or more below, and that is freezing, and I mean freezing. And there's only one thing I think about when it's that freaking cold. Vacation, vacation, vacation. Now, how would you like to be able to afford to go on vacation anywhere on the planet? Any time of the year, doesn't matter if you can get good deals or bad deals, overnight or 2 months. That's right. How would you like to have enough disposable money? You could go on vacation at the drop of a hat, and you don't even have a hat, so whenever you just feel like it. Well, you know, I'll tell you something. For a lot of people on this planet, probably about, I'd say probably maybe 6 million people on the planet Earth, they can do that. Maybe more. Anyone that's a millionaire can do that, right? What about you? Could you just leave whatever job or career you have, and do you have the money to go on vacation anytime you feel like it? What if all of a sudden it got to be below 0 and you wanted to go to some place like, I don't know, maybe Yuma, Arizona, get warmed up again? Or maybe you wanted to go to Hawaii or Tahiti, or you know what, maybe you want to go to Greece. It's not all that warm at times, but certain places in Greece is pretty freaking warm actually. Athens, Greece, at one point they had a record high of 117 degrees one time. Yeah, it was a surprise too, to me too. I got the information from the Weather Channel's Weather Bug, I believe it was. Any rate, bottom line is, what if you want to travel? Could you afford it? Could you just say, hey kids, we're gonna go out, we're gonna take you out of school for a week. Or maybe you want to homeschool your kids so that you can do that. So you can go wherever you want, when you want, and however you want, and even have cyber school. Could you afford it? Well, guess what? You know all that stuff I've been telling you about joining my company, YouNeedRoadside.com, and how I told you to become a customer for $19.99 and then eventually become a member at $39.99 a month, and you can get $80 commissions, and you can join the Matrix and all that. Remember all that stuff I've been telling you? Well, did you know that once you get really good at this stuff, you learn it, you can be that person that could eventually be making $100,000 a year or $1 million a year or more. I'm not saying you're gonna get a penny, but you could. The foundation is in place. The infrastructure is there. So what would it mean to you to make an extra $1,000 a month? What would it mean to you to make an extra $10,000 a month? And when you learned your skill set and you taught other people the same thing that you learned from me and Mr. Montez Moss and Devon Bankett, and we taught you, and then we became successful at it, and then you became successful, what would it mean to you to make maybe $100,000 a month? Or, yeah, that's 1.2 million a year. Can you imagine that? What would that mean to your life? Now, I don't want you to imagine that anymore. No, 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 no. I want you to do something about it. That's right, I'm challenging you. Yeah, you out there, Mr. I can't do this, I can't do that. Yes, you can. Have confidence in you. Yeah, I do this sarcastic and stereotypical voices and all that nonsense. It's entertainment, okay? But it's also to drive home a point. Imagine your life with $1 million, excuse me, it's a little bit, I don't know if there's a flea or something, but anyway, sorry about that. It happens, right? I know it happens with me all the time. I don't know. I'm Italian. I guess people are attracted to me. I don't know. Forget about it. Hey, point is, that $100,000 a month is doable. That comes out to about $1,200,000 a year before taxes. And there's even ways to make even more than that. Now, look, this is not some kind of scheme or get rich quick. In fact, if you don't do any work, you're not gonna get any money. In fact, let me throw this at you. If you get into this business and you don't work, the only thing you're gonna get is another bill. But what if you work? What if you listen? What if you learn? What if you apply? And what if people decide to join? You get to the point where that money's coming in, you get to go on vacations, vacations, vacations. That could be you. But you know what? It's not gonna happen because you're wishing it, you're desiring it even. You gotta work for it. Now you work hard in your life, don't you? Look what you do at your job or your career. So why don't you apply your skill sets from that business and your disciplines and in your skill sets from that business to this one? I know it's radical, I know it's frightening, but don't you want vacations, vacations, vacations? Well, what are you waiting for? You need roadside.com. You need roadside.com.